Faithsprout is a website promoting the Faithsprout Bible Study Guide, a 66-page resource that claims to simplify all 66 books of the Bible into clear themes, symbolism, and practical life lessons. The site says the guide helps readers understand Scripture with confidence, whether they are beginners or long-time believers. It's marketed as an easy-to-read, well-designed study tool that can be used for personal devotion, group Bible study, or even as a thoughtful Christian gift. Before we continue, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, let's talk about some concerns that people should keep in mind before purchasing from this website. One of the first things that stands out is that the website appears to be newly registered. Reports suggest that the domain was created on February 28, 2026, which means it is a very new website. When a brand new site suddenly claims strong sales or popularity, it's usually a good idea to take a step back and verify its credibility first. Another thing worth noticing is the urgency marketing used on the site. The website displays messages about limited stock and offers a 30% discount. While discounts are common in online stores, countdowns and stock warnings are often used to push visitors into making quick decisions without taking the time to research the product. There is also a lack of clear contact information. The website does not list a phone number or a physical business address. Instead, it only offers a generic email or contact form. Legitimate businesses usually provide multiple ways for customers to contact them if there is a problem with an order. The product also shows a very high rating of 4.9 stars with more than 1,600 reviews on the website itself. However, when checking independent review platforms, there appear to be little to no external customer reviews. When all the positive feedback exists only on the seller's own website, it raises questions about how genuine those reviews really are. Another concern is the absence of social media presence. Most legitimate brands today maintain active pages on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or other social networks where customers can interact with them. In this case, the website does not seem to have any official social media accounts connected to the brand. Transparency is another issue. The website does not clearly explain who owns the company, where the business operates from, or any detailed background about the organization behind the product. This lack of information can make it harder for buyers to verify who they are actually purchasing from. Finally, the overall combination of very high ratings, big discounts, and limited stock alerts can create pressure for visitors to buy quickly. These types of tactics are sometimes used in online marketing to encourage impulse purchases rather than giving customers enough time to research and make an informed decision. So, while the idea of a Bible study guide may sound helpful, it's always important to do your own research before purchasing anything online. Checking independent reviews, verifying company details, and comparing similar resources can help you make a safer and more informed decision.